Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is a special day because I'm buying my middle brother a car. I mean, all the cars that I had, he bought all of them. He bought it for me. He never asked for anything back. I think the only car that I had that I bought with my own money was like my first Miata, the RSXs and the 240, but that's about it. Every single other car I had, my brother bought it for me. So today, I'm gonna go get his dream car. He loves this car. It's a Lexus GS 300, comes with a 2J. He's been like dreaming about this car since like little. So today, I'm gonna treat him right.
Many hours later.
Alright guys, just bought the car. Here it is. It's super clean. The paint is amazing. Gaudi comes with lowering springs, rims. But you could tell the guy took care of this car. He's giving me like extra springs and stuff like that. It's just low. Let me show you guys the inside. My brother's gonna flip out when he sees this. Black leather, ain't no tan dirty shit over here. Everything is super clean. It's stock too, like engine wise, no exhaust, no nothing.
The city, Nassau County done came and told him that he got to move.
This shit feels amazing.
That's a legendary truck.
That's the hard part.
That's not the 720 though.
He had it. No, this is boosted though.
What? With the K?
Yeah.
Look what CJ copped today. You wanted one, right?
Yeah, I was looking at it.
We should go. Huh?
And I'm saying that these are
Hey, check out the wheels.
I think it's open though.
I mean,
He doesn't like the wheels.
Start it. Check it out.
it has to put in.
Yeah. Check it out.
It's mint. Go on.
I missed this in the LS.
Bro, and look, it has modes.
Yeah, I know.
Fucking crazy. And heated seats.
121, that's low for this car. Starts right up.
It's lowered. It has springs on it.
We gotta bag it, that's right. I mean, Ford gotta bag it.
So what is he gonna do with this thing?
Wait. Open the glove box. Take it out.
Pick what up?
The paperwork.
Oh.
And this is your car.
Wait, what?
And this is your car. I bought it for you this morning.
Wait, what? Seriously?
I'm
Yeah.
serious.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
I didn't even know. Get out of here.
I'm serious. This is your car.
You know what the best part is? What? Pop the hood.
He knows.
Oh,
this
fuck,
is
never
green
mind.
car. He would know. What's
I already know. You think I'm gonna leave that?
And it's been sitting for a while, so everything's like sticky, rusty.
That's fine.
And
I'll get a detail. Oh my god.
and he gave us.
But it's already clean as f. Yeah, I already know.
Yeah, look at the inside, bro.
Oh shit! Check it out. Where is it?
I can finally get the advance that I wanted.
That side.
If you don't bag this, there's something wrong with
that's
you.
the only reason you have to bag it. Work is ready.
Wait, it has cause too? No, these are stock, right?
Yeah, it has springs, lowering springs. We have to change the valve cover gasket because it's leaking from that side, and this.
That's fine. Yeah.
It's all maintenance. Oh, and that side rubs.
It needs the bottom, the guard.
Oh, yeah, it has fender liner rubs.
Oh yeah, this rubs. I got you. Come on, bro. You guys gotta have a minute. I'll get out. Fuck. Get that shit out of here.
I'm gonna do a walk around the car so you guys can see what it looks like now. What do you call it? Oh, it came with, I don't know if I told you guys, but it came with LS400 brakes, which is like the big brake kit. Then you guys will see in the next video, I already changed the exhaust tips and I did the muffler delete and the resonant delete because I already had a leak on it, so why not? It came with these tail lights. Put the springs on, obviously, but yeah, it's black on black. After I gave my brother the car, he basically fell in love. So yeah, there's a lot of mods for it coming soon. It's already in my house, I just have to install it, so expect some videos on that. So yeah, enjoy some montage.
Need them rubies to bloody my teeth. Want a feature, you know it ain't free. I can't follow these niggas, ain't she? Yeah, the road up ahead is still steep. I told Gunna, just watch out for me. Just keep your eye posted on me. Until then, this how it's gon' be. I be killing and ripping these beats till I get that bag that's filled with them hundreds. I'ma stay on my P's and my Q's. No, I can't fuck with no chick that ain't gon' play a part. Like, baby, just wait for your cue. Having these artists been here and they lame from the start, so I think your time's overdue. Had to drop off.